Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen share audio on your Discord in Mac. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in Discord and if you do have a share audio problem in your screen share, it's pretty simple to do this. So the first thing is try to update your Mac. So check about this Mac. If you have a Mac OS 13 and below, I recommend you try to update because it's not compatible anymore with the current versions of this card. It's not going to support it. So that's the first thing you will do. So just go to settings. I want you to go to settings, and then from there go to software update, and basically right here check for updates and update your MacBook. So that's the first solution. So the second solution is going to your settings, user settings, search for video, voice and video, and I want you to scroll down and try to reset your voice settings. So from there, that's the only solutions that is available for your MacBook. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.